हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप सब। आई होप कि सब बढ़िया होंगे। तो बच्चों, हमने पार्ट 1 में क्लास 10th के साइंस से कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस किए थे 1 से लेके 7 चैप्टर तक। उसके बाद बच्चों यहाँ पे हम चैप्टर 7 से लेके चैप्टर 15 तक के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में आने के चांसेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा है। तो बच्चों, वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक देखना और ये क्वेश्चन तो अच्छे से करके जाना ताकि आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में अच्छे मार्क्स आए। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। Chapter 8, question number first. What is the importance of DNA copying in reproduction? Question number 2. How will an organism be benefited if it reproduces through spores? Question number 3. Why is DNA copying an essential part of the process of reproduction? Question number 4. How is the process of pollination different from fertilization? Question number 5. What is the role of the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland? Question number 6. How does the embryo get nourishment inside the mother's body? Question number 7. What are the functions performed by the testes in human beings? Question number 8. Draw a labeled diagram of the longitudinal section of flower. Question number 9. What are the different methods of contraception? Question number 10. What could be the reason for adopting contraceptive methods? Chapter 9 का first question है, if a trait A exists in 10% of a population of an asexually reproducing species and a trait B exists in 60% of the population, which trait is likely to have arisen earlier? Question number 2. How do Mendel's experiments show that traits may be dominant or recessive? Question number 3. How do Mendel's experiments show that traits are inherited independently? Question number 4. A man with blood group A marries a woman with blood group O and their daughter has blood group O. Is this information enough to tell you which of the traits blood group A or O is dominant? Why or why not? Question number 5. How is the sex of the child determined in human beings? Question number 6. A study found that children with light colored eyes are likely to have parents with light colored eyes. On this basis, can we say anything about whether the light eye color trait is dominant or recessive? Why or why not? Now, question number 7. How is the equal genetic contribution of male and female parents ensured in the progeny? Chapter 10, question number 1. Why do prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Question number 2. A convex mirror used for a rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and the size of the image. Now question number 3. An object of 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of concave mirror of the focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. Question number 4. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified a large real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? Question number 5. A ray of light traveling in an air enters obliquely into water. Does the light ray bend toward the normal or away from the normal? Why? Question number 6. Light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.50. What is the speed of light in the glass? The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 ms minus 1. Question number 7. A convex lens forms a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens if the image is equal to the size of the object? Also find the power of lens. Question number 8. A convex lens forms a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeters from it. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens If the image is equal to the size of the object, also find the power of the lens. Question number 9. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. Question number 10. We wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. What should be the range of this distance of the object from the mirror? What is the nature? The image. Is the image larger or smaller than the object? Draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. Question number 11. One half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of the object? Verify your answer experimentally. Explain your observations. Question number 12. An object 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from converging lens of a focal length 10 cm. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and the nature of the image formed. Question number 13. A convex lens of focal length 15 cm forms an object 10 cm from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram. Question number 14. An object of size 7 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. Now chapter 11 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अ पर्सन विद अ मायोपिक आई कांट सी ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड 1.2 मीटर डिस्टिंक्टली. What should be the type of the corrective lens used to restore proper vision? Question number 2. A student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. What could be the effect the child is suffering from? How can it be corrected? Question number 3. Person needs a lens of power 5.5 diopters for correcting his distance vision. For correcting his near vision, he needs a lens of power 1 plus 1.5 diopter. What is the focal length of the lens required for correcting distance vision? Okay, first distant vision, second near vision. Question number 4. The far point of a myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? Question number 5. Make a diagram to show how hypermetropia is corrected. The near point of hypermetropia eye is 1 meter. What is the power of the lens required to correct this defect? Assume that the near point of the normal eyes is 25 centimeter. Question number 6. Why do stars twinkle? Question number 7. Explain why the planets don't twinkle. Now chapter 12 का पहला क्वेश्चन है, define the unit of current. Question number 2. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. Question number 3. Name a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. Question number 4. Will current flow more easily through a thick wire or a thin wire of the same material when connected to the same source? Why? Question number 5. Why are coils of electric toasters and electrons made of an alloy rather than a pure metal? Question number 6. An electric lamp of 100 ohm, a toaster of resistance 50 ohms and a water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to a 220 voltage source. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that takes as much current as all three appliances, and what is the current through it? Question number 7. How can three resistors of resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm can be connected to give a total resistance of A part have 4 ohm and B have 1 ohm? Question number 8. What is A the highest, B. The lowest total resistance that can be secured by the combinations of four coils of resistance 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. Now question number 9. Why does the cord of an electric heater not glow while the heating element does? Question number 10. Compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulomb charge in 1 hour through potential differences of 50 volts. Question number 11. An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. Question number 12. An electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 voltage line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy. Question number 13. How many 1760 resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 voltage line? Question number 14. Several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 voltage electric supply line are rated 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wires of 220 voltage line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere? Question number 15. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 voltage line has a two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately in series or in parallel. What are the currents in three cases? Question number 16. Compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. A 6 voltage battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Second, a 4 voltage battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Question number 17. Which uses more energy? A 250 voltage TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? Question number 18. An electric heater of resistance 80 draws 15 ampere from the service mains 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. Question number 19. Explain the following. A है, why is the tungsten used almost exclusively for filament of electric lamp? B part है, why are the conductors of electric heating devices such as bread toaster and electric irons made of an alloy rather than a pure metal? C part है, why is the series arrangement not used for domestic circuits? Now D part, how does the resistance of a wire vary with its area of cross section? E part है, why are copper and aluminum wires usually employed for electricity transmission? Now chapter 13 का first question है, why does a compass needle get deflected when brought near a bar magnet? Question number 2. List the two properties of magnetic lines of force. Question number 3. Why don't two magnetic lines of force intersect each other? Question number 4. Consider a circular loop of wire lying in the plane of the table. Let the current pass through the loop clockwise. Apply the right hand rule to find out the direction of the magnetic field inside and outside of the loop. Question number 5. List three sources of magnetic fields. Question number 6. How does a solenoid behave like a magnet? Can you determine the north and south poles of a current carrying solenoid with the help of a bar magnet? Explain. Question number 7. What is the force of experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field largest? Question number 8. When does an electric short circuit occur? Question number 9. What is the function of an earth wire? Why is it necessary to earth metallic appliances? Now, chapter 15, question number first. What are trophic levels? Give an example of a food chain that state the different trophic levels in it. Question number 2. What is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem? Question number 3. What is ozone and how does it affect any ecosystem? Question number 4. What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one trophic level? Question number 5. What is the biological magnification? Will the levels of this magnification be different at different levels of the ecosystem? Question number 6. Why is damage to the ozone layer a cause for concern? What steps are being taken to limit this damage? तो मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारे क्वेश्चंस थे, इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे चैप्टर 8 से लेके चैप्टर 15 तक। बच्चों, इन क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग अच्छे से कर लेना ताकि आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में अच्छे नंबर आए। और बच्चे, इसके बाद मैं आपको चैप्टर्स वाइज इन क्वेश्चंस के सॉल्यूशन भी कराऊंगी। प्लीज़ उन वीडियोस को ज़रूर देखना। और बच्चों, वो क्वेश्चंस आप लोग अच्छे से रट लेना ताकि आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में अच्छे नंबर आए। बच्चों, यही रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, आप लोग अच्छे से पढ़ो इन क्वेश्चन को, तो सच में बिल्कुल अच्छे से करना ताकि आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में अच्छे नंबर आए। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।